Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we are taking a look at another one of our trailers that we got ready for our demonstration day that we have coming up next Tuesday, the 27th from 9 to 2. So what we have here is a 14-foot aluminum tandem axle trailer. So obviously the aluminum trailers are a premium trailer, but it is definitely ideal if you're trying to limit corrosion on your rig. Not only that, but they show perfectly. They look really nice when you're showing up to a customer's house or any kind of property. They do have the alloy wheels. This system's equipped with a gas soft wash system and the 3500 at 10 cold water pressure washer. And we have that pressure washer split into a 2-gun system. So we'll go down and review all the reels and everything and how we have it put together. But starting up front here, we've got the gas soft wash. So this is the AR45 pump with it's a 300 PSI at 10 gallon per minute. We've got it hooked up to the proportioner manifold. That proportioner manifold will allow you to adjust your water, your bleach, and your surfactant. It has a flush valve on the bleach valve so that you can keep everything rinsed through and try and keep that pump cleaned out as much as possible. It's always important to rinse the bleach out. Down here you can see we've got everything, all the filters going to the proportioner manifold. We have the 2-inch tank drain that comes off to the side. That's always important so you can wash your hands or fill your buckets, whatever you need to do. Moving along down here, we have 4 electric 18-inch Titan reels. So starting on this side, we've got 200 feet of the yellow hose, and this is reel number 1 for the pressure washer. Down here we have 200 feet of the gray hose, and that's reel number 2 for the pressure washer. We put different color hoses on them so you can tell which reel you're pulling from in case you ever want to use it as a single gun, 10 gallon a minute, or 2 guns, which would be each at 5 gallon a minute. We've got the premium hose reel guides on all of these. Just makes it so much easier whenever you're reeling them up with that electric rewind. Over here we have the 300-foot soft wash reel, and then we've got 200 feet of the incoming hose on this bottom reel here. You can see on the soft wash line we have one of those red washdown guns. Those things work perfectly for these rigs. Around back, can get a better view. We've got the 50-gallon bleach tank, a 325-gallon water tank, and then we've got the aluminum locking toolbox. And of course you can see we've got the protective flooring down here. That's protecting the wood plank floor that's underneath this aluminum trailer. And Tim did an excellent job. He trimmed everything out so it's all seamless. You don't see any of the wood along the edges. It's all trimmed out perfectly. Moving further down, we've got the ladder rack. And on the other side here, you can get a better view of not only the pressure washer, but the tanks that we have behind the soft wash and the proportioner manifold. There's a total of 3 16-gallon tanks. One of those 16-gallon tanks is for surfactant. Another one is for just a standard downstream soap that you want to pull through your pressure washer. And the third one is for antifreeze. So this system is set up to be antifreezed using that 16-gallon tank. And then we have the 10-gallon a minute pressure washer. It's 3,500 PSI, 10 gallon a minute. This has the GX800, which is the fuel-injected engine. Of course, it's got the Honda muffler on it. We always put the rain cap on there. This is stationed on a big aluminum frame. Behind the washer, we've got a 6-gallon fuel tank and the battery and everything that's hooked up to. But for the most part, this is one really flashy but efficient rig. So we're going to be firing this up here in just a few days for that demonstration day that I talked about earlier. So if you're interested in seeing how this performs, stop on out. Thanks.